Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Ford Explorer. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable to avoid any electrical hazards. Always make sure your vehicle is safely elevated and supported on sturdy jack stands before you begin any work underneath. Having the right tools, such as a ratchet, various sockets, and a reliable torque wrench, will make this job much smoother and more efficient. Now let's locate the starter. On most Ford Explorer models, you'll find it on the passenger side, usually mounted near the transmission. Once you've spotted it, carefully disconnect the main power wire and the smaller solenoid wire. These are crucial for the starter's operation. Next, you'll need to remove the mounting bolts that secure the starter to the transmission housing. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts, so take your time. With the bolts removed, gently pull the old starter free from its mounting. It might be a bit heavy and awkward, so be prepared. Now, take your new starter and carefully position it, making sure to align the bolt holes perfectly with the transmission housing. Once aligned, hand tighten the mounting bolts to ensure they are properly seated. Then, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications for a secure fit. Finally, reconnect the power and solenoid wires to your new starter, ensuring they are tight and secure. Then, reattach the negative battery terminal. Before you start the engine, double-check all your connections. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Start your Explorer to confirm the new starter is working perfectly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.